Prime Minister calls for initiatives to support sustainable development while ending poverty. Starts $9 million electricity regularization program in West Central St. Andrew and continues vaccine mobilization efforts in St. Mary and St. Andrew. You're watching Jamaica House Weekly. I'm Anthony Morgan.
If you are willing to pay something for better, and I am working hard to make it more affordable, then I think we can reach a solution for progress and prosperity.
Prime Minister Andrew Holness to residents of West Central St. Andrew Friday as he made a case for improved and upgraded water, light and internet supply in the community. To assist with this drive, the Prime Minister, who is also a Member of Parliament for the area, announced a $9 million electricity regularization program. This initiative will be carried out by the Ministry of Local Government and Rural Development, the Jamaica Social Investment Fund, and the Jamaica Public Service Company.
Because you see the skill of tying the little stone on the hook and just throw it up on the wire, and then you run it into your house, and then you just connect to it. That's very dangerous. The transformers that blow because of that. And that's why we don't have the electricity in the community.
Mr. Holness says a housing project, a basic school, and a 22-room Golden Age home are also in the works for the area.
We are doing everything to improve the status of the community. But you need to do your part and play your part.
In the meantime, Prime Minister Andrew Holness urged persons in West Central St. Andrew and West St. Andrew to get vaccinated. He made a special plea to the elderly and persons with underlying conditions such as hypertension, diabetes, and heart disease.
I'm urging all of you here, don't wait until it is at your doorstep. Go and get your vaccination.
And in recognition of International Day of Older Persons on October 1, the Prime Minister visited Lucille Brown, who turns 104 on October 10. Mr. Holness also met with Avery Martin, who is 75 years old.
The society can only be stronger if we pay the respect and deference and love and care to those senior persons in our midst.
The Prime Minister then hopped over to St. Andrew Western to deliver tablets to students in the constituency. The devices were provided through the efforts of Jamaica's Consul General in New York, who mobilized support from the diaspora. Thursday saw the Prime Minister in St. Mary as he continued his vaccination mobilization campaign. Mr. Holness urged persons to get vaccinated so that they are not unduly impacted by restrictions to travel or in-person attendance at school.
In order for us to return to life as we would like, as we knew it before, there has to be a very high level of vaccination. You are helping us to get back to that level. You are taking care of your own health, but you are also taking care of the health of the nation. So again, for that, I say thank you. You are the heroes. Now go out and be the ambassadors.
News came Wednesday that government will initiate a formal review of the selection process of candidates for national honors and awards. Mr. Holness says a review committee is to be set up to recommend changes. That committee will consist of state, government, opposition, and civil society representatives who will conduct their evaluation over an 8-month period. Among the issues to be considered are the selection of candidates to national orders, creation of a criteria guide to select and exclude candidates, deeper vetting of candidates, as well as increased public awareness on the selection. On Tuesday, the Prime Minister addressed a United Nations high-level virtual meeting on jobs and social protection for poverty eradication and sustainable recovery. He called on global policymakers to address sustainability and poverty challenges with innovative solutions.
As we chart a new course towards economic recovery, we must lay the foundations for a more resilient labor market and a more equal world. We must invest in upskilling and reskilling our workers for the jobs of the future to better prepare for the disruptions of the fourth industrial revolution, which the pandemic has only served to accelerate.
Prime Minister Holness, who is co-convener of the Financing for Development Initiative, also called on world leaders to utilize the upcoming United Nations Climate Change Conference to drive the development agenda. This includes investment in green sectors with substantial job-creating potential, as well as those with social protection systems to support transitioning workers. And that's it for Jamaica House Weekly. Be sure to join us next time for more of the news stories coming out of the Office of the Prime Minister.